Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Chronology. In chronology for the sputum production, chronic bronchitis. Chronic bronchitis. In the chronic bronchitis, the sputum production is more in the early morning in chronic bronchitis, whereas in bronchial asthma, the sputum production is more in the morning or in the night. Because in bronchial asthma, even the cold environment also precipitates bronchial asthma. So in the morning and in night, there is cold environment. There are less temperature. So as a result, in bronchial asthma, the sputum production is more either in the early morning or at the night. Recent onset of sputum production. If there is recent onset of sputum production, always suspect severe infection. If the patient says that for the last few days he did not get any sputum, but suddenly he started developing sputum, then we should always suspect infections in this condition.
thank you and thank you for watching.